guys, today I am gonna be showing you guys my Barbies. It is a little hard to see them now because the camera can't go up that high exactly, but let's start with the middle one that you see right here. Okay, to start off, let's start with her stuff that she comes with rather than the doll herself. We have the slime, which I reviewed in my reviewing slime video, except the slime and the sand is actually mixed together now, so it is less weird, but it still feels very suspicious, and I don't like it. But she came with this container that she came in, like when it was first opened, she came out of the container. But let's go to our next thing. We have a little floaty here. It's a nice orange. It's really cute and fruity. And we have a little dog here. It reminds me of one of our clay friends, Doug, the blueberry dog. He's always out on the background, but kind of reminds me of it, but this one is just like more of a Barbie style. And she also comes with a blueberry smoothie here. It's really interesting. It has like a little swirl on it, and it's like a jelly-like thing. And then we have the actual doll herself. I have to have her down a little bit so you guys can actually see her. But she has like a dark pink hair, a streak of hair with some beautiful blue. And I love all the cute fruits on her skirt. There's like oranges and blueberries and cherries. And if you guys look really, really close, you can see that there's hold on, let it go. You can see that there's a little cherry on her cheek. It's really hard to see, but it's right there. And I think that's really cute, even though you can barely see it. I can barely see it. But it's really cute. I love her little top that she's wearing with the triangles. I think that's interesting. All the triangle designs and the blue design. And she doesn't have anything under her skirt except for her bathing suit that is attached to that little top. And then the last thing about her is her roller skates. There could be more detail in her roller skates. They're just a blue base, but you know, color detail, but they're cute. They look like actual roller skates, just the whole thing is blue. So it's really cute and it has nice detail on it. But let's move on to the next Barbie. Next Barbie, we have a really cute boba container. This is one of the Boba Barbies. It has a little triangle and boba pearls. We have the slime that I reviewed in the slime video. The boba has little bracelets and cute eyes. And for her little dog, I love that it has a cute little boba case. I think that is really cute. But let's see. We have the dog out of the boba case. It's not actually a boba